What's up, Bob, Home Cook Basics. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe down below. So today we're talking about how to cook ground beef. Now you might be thinking, Bob, ground beef. It's so simple. You throw it in a frying pan, you mix it around, and that's it. You call it a day. But the thing is, I've been cooking ground beef wrong for years. And when I started to realize what I was doing wrong, it just changed the game. See, when you put it in that pan, in that frying pan, and you just keep mixing it around and mixing it around, you kind of wait until it gets to that grayish color and it's cooked fully inside, and then you pull it off. But the real problem is you didn't brown the beef, and that is key. And that's the biggest thing, if you can take away from this video, is the browning of the beef. Browning that beef is what actually gives it the flavor. Also, the second biggest takeaway from this is you really got to season the ground beef. If you're not salting it, you're not bringing out that flavor. Salt enhances flavor. It draws it out of whatever you're putting it on. So make sure you season it properly. And the other thing is you got to make sure you have a hot pan. So I got a few tricks in this. We're going to separate the meat when we put it in the pan. We're going to let that moisture boil off, and then we're going to brown it. So now that you get the three biggest takeaways, seasoning, browning, and having a hot pan, we're going to go ahead and cook this ground beef. So that's it, guys, how to cook ground beef. I hope you find this video useful, and now you'll start browning your beef if you haven't already. Let me know in the comments, do you already brown your beef? Is this the way you already cook it? And thanks again for watching my channel. And please subscribe down below if you never have. And I'll see you next time on Home Cook Basics.